Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Easy Learn. And today's topic is trigonometric functions. And we're going to be doing some more practice today. If you haven't watched my trigonometric functions explanation video yet, pause right here, check the link in the description below. Make sure you understand the concept first, and then come back for solving. So today's question is: a boy is flying a kite, and now let's go step by step what it says. So the string is held 80 centimeters above the ground. As you can see, here's the ground. The boy is standing right up there, and this is the 80 centimeter. And the kite is on a string which is 8 meters long. As you can see, he's holding this kite, and it has a 8-meter string attached to it. And the string makes an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. And now they have made a horizontal and they have put this 30 degrees right there. Now calculate the height of the kite above the ground. Above the ground, and this is my kite and this is my ground. That means that this is the height that they want. The kite plus the ground. Now this horizontal mark plus the ground. So now as you can see, I don't have to worry about the height from the ground till this horizontal mark, because this I know is 80 centimeters, and this part is the one that is missing. So maybe I could call it as x. Now, this is a particular right angle triangle, if you notice. So we have a right angle triangle there where we have our horizontal, that's 8, the diagonal length, that is 8 meters, the angle, that is 30 degrees, and we have to find the x. So now I can just take my trigonometric identities there. We know that we're dealing with trigonometric functions. They're used to find right angle, triangles, angles, and lengths. So I'm going to be using the sine cos tan, and then I have to figure out which one's my AOH. A is the length that is enclosed between 90 degrees and the given angle. O is the one that's opposite to the angle, and H, the hypotenuse, is the diagonal length, or the one that's opposite to 90 degrees. And I know that sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Now, if you look carefully on this specific example, you can see that I have a length that is right opposite to the given angle, which means that this x becomes my O, the opposite. And you can see that here's my 90-degree indication, and there is a length that is right opposite to the 90-degree, or the diagonal length, that's 8 meters. So this becomes my H. Now that I have my O and my H, you can come back and look here which one is giving me the O and H. So it's sine theta. So I'm going to just write down the information that I have. So sine theta equals the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is the 8. And my theta, I have it there. So sine 30 equals the x upon 8. Now when 8 goes to the other side, since 8 is being divided with the x over here, when it goes to the other side, it turns into multiplication, because that's the rule. Positives change into negatives, multiplications change into divisions, and then so on. Now, once I have that, I can take my 8 to the other side, and it becomes sine 30 times 8 equals x. Now, once I have that, you can check on your scientific calculator. So make sure your calculator is set on degrees. Then you have to select sine. So sine 30 times 8 gives me 4, which means that this length right here is 4. And this is just the length that I am going to be the one with that's making the horizontal, and the kite and the horizontal line that we have here is my x. So that is basically 4 meters, but I have to find the height above the ground, so which means I have to also add the 80 centimeters down there. Now I can't just directly add 4 meters to 80 centimeters. Why? Because one is in meters and the other one is in centimeters. So either I need to convert the meters to centimeters and get my final answer in centimeters, or I'm just going to do the centimeters converted to meters and get my final answer in meters. So I'm just going to go with meters. So if you know, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. So now that I have to convert my 80 centimeter So it's going to be 80 divided by 100, which gives me, so I'm going to cut off these zeros, and there's one zero on the bottom, so I'm just going to take one decimal place behind, and my answer is supposed to be 0.8 meters, which means this is the height of the ground, that is zero point 0.8, and I have the height of this horizontal line and the string of the kite, it is at 4 meters. So I'm just going to add these two lines up, and 4 meters plus 0.8 meters, which gives me the answer as 4.8. So that means my answer, or my height above the ground, is 4 meters. Oops, 4.8 meters. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and I hope you understood how to solve the question. If you have any queries, any questions, any confusions, just drop them down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching Easy Learn. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Take care until next time. Hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.